Hello, lovely people. I hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. Today has been a really good day for me, actually, because we saw a rainbow this morning. It was blustery and gray. And in fact, it's really gray. It's close to 1 o'clock already and it's quite dark, so I'm having to use a light. But yeah, it was really dark and gray. But when we went outside to do the school run, there was this rainbow which was just coming out of this gray cloud, and it was the most beautiful sight. And so it was just awesome. It just made me feel very, very happy. But anyway, I was preparing my outfits, pulling out my outfits, because I've got a winter capsule wardrobe now that I use to help me with outfit combinations for the week. It's something new that I'm trying out and I'm having a lot of fun with. And one of the silhouettes that I have there is sort of like a shift dress, jumper dress type look that you layer over a roll neck. And I decided to go pick out something that I made from the January 2018 issue. It's a really lovely dress with some flounces at the front. And I made it in 100% wool. It's like a worsted wool weight, and it's this really beautiful fuchsia pink fabric. And then the worst thing happened. Look at that. And I thought, oh, well, you know what? I can just sew that up, right? I can put a patch on it, even though it's not the best place because it's right smack bang right there across the bust line. But it also turned out that there was more moth damage here down the sleeve, and it's coming off over there. Absolutely gutted by that. So anyway, I went around to look at all of my other woolen stuff, and I found some wool fabrics that had some moth damage, despite the fact that I was keeping them in these tubs. But clearly something must have happened during the times that I sorted through all of my fabrics, and I took them all out of the tubs. So something must have snuck in there. So very heartbreaking. But the point of why I'm sharing this is, if you do have your fabric, you want to make sure that you get these. So I immediately went and I ordered like loads and loads of these to also put on in my closet where I hang up my woolen coats and clothes. I like these ones that go on a hanger here. So these are the cedar wood, and apparently the smell of the cedar is supposed to keep the moths away. So currently in my house now, the moths have declared war on us, and so the kids have been told to kill any moths on sight. So they've got like a kill on sight order just to try and get rid of them. So this is one of the things that I got, just a pack of about 20 of them, and I have these just on the hangers. And then the other thing that I got was these natural balls. You can get these in camphor or in cedar wood as well, because those apparently are the moth repellents, like a natural way. And they don't smell as bad as those naphtha. I think they're called the naphtha ones, the ones that are white and they've just got like this really nasty smell. These ones don't have that. And so I've had to go around opening up all of my fabric tubs, shaking them out, making sure that there aren't any moths in there, and being very liberal with putting these in the tubs. I ended up getting a total of 200 of these balls because that's how much fabric I have. But that's another story. But anyway, yeah, so it was just kind of like, little sharing of information about wool, to just watch out for those moths. Get yourself some moth balls, just checking on your wools, make sure that they're okay. So it's a very quick post today. I hope that you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Happy sewing, guys. Bye. There's more damage on the back, and here and here. So yeah, I am going to, and when I hold it up to the light, I can see more places where the moths didn't quite eat through, but they ate through like a layer where you can kind of see that it's not as thick as the others, which is such a shame. Such a shame. I guess I'm gonna have to make another one of these you know.